Greetings coding widgets. Krishna Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to the 22nd and testing episode of our JavaScript series. Today we embark on a new phase of our journey, delving into the heart of web engagement, the document object model. You can also say DOM. The DOM is like the magical parchment that bring our web pages to life. So grab your coding vents and let's embrace the enchantment of the document object model. So first is, what is document object model? The document object model is the magical parchment that describes the structure of our web pages. Each tag, each element is a spell in the interesting script. So let's explore document object model. First, if you want to see what are the document object model, just go here. I will make a HTML file and link the script file with HTML. So if I go like this, so you have to just write console.log and document. Here you have a document object model. So you can see here I have not write anything, but in the body, if I write anything, like if I make a box and write something like lorem 100, so here if I write you can see here we have a document, here we have a body, and in the body we have this box, and in the box we have this content. I hope you are getting. So here we have an amazing example. So let's see this example. So this file is connected to our index.html. So here we have a example. First we have a variable new heading, and in the new heading we are going to give a create element h1. So document.create element h1. So this will make a new element which is called h1, and h1 is a heading. So new heading is, in the new heading the text content will change, welcome to the enchantment library will come, and in the document and the body we append this child new heading. So you can see here we have a new heading, welcome to the enchantment library. I hope you are getting this. So here if I go this, so the h1 is come. So the DOM represents the structure of our HTML document. Document is the root object of our DOM. So I hope you are getting. Selecting elements from the DOM. So in the DOM we use spells to select, interact with the element. Let's dive into the art of selection. So first, if you want to select any element, so first I want to select a header. So get element by ID will use to select any ID. So here if I go and in the header, if I give ID header and write anything hello, and here the header is selected by the header element, and paragraph element is selected by your query selector all. So query selector is all used for by selecting grab a collection of element based on the CSS selectors. So hello is selected. Now if I want to select a paragraph tag, like I want to make a paragraph tag 5 with a content hello, if I enter this, so here we have a 5 paragraph. So this will select all the paragraph. Here we have an amazing example. So paragraph, for each paragraph the text color will be gold here. You can see this. All the text color of the paragraph are gold. You can see here. The text color of all the paragraphs are gold. So get element by ID retrieves an element by its unique ID, and query selectors all grab a collection of elements based on the CSS selectors. I hope you are getting. So next is modifying the DOM. So modifying DOM, how you can modify a DOM with we first selected the header element with ID header. If we want to change the content of them, so text content welcome to the enchantment forest. So in the index.html we written the hello, and in script we written welcome to the enchantment forest. So you can see here we have a welcome to the enchantment library, and in here we have a enchantment forest. So hello content is changed, and if I want to change the color, paragraph 0 yani means first first paragraph color will change with golden to it will convert to green. I hope you are getting. This is converted. So here we have another missing example. Here we are making a magical button. So this is for you. You have to practice this example. Here I just want to see you this. Here we have a button. If I click this, and here we are getting alert message abracadabra. So handling event in the DOM we will see in our next video. Let's move to conclude. That wraps up our introduction to our DOM object model. If you enjoyed this mystical exploration, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic, and share your thought in the comment below. In our next video, we will continue our journey connecting the DOM, and the magical land of our JavaScript. Until then, may your selection be precise, your modification be enchanting, and happy coding.